All right, it's day 10. Let's go. Um, oh gosh. Okay, we have a syntax error. Cool. Damage is worse than you thought. Several lines containing chunks. Okay. There are one or more chunks on each line, and chunks contain zero or more other chunks. Um, oh God. Okay. Adjacent chunks are not separated by any delimiter. If one chunk stops, the next chunk, if any, can immediately start. Okay. So chunks are these pairs of operators. Mm-hmm. Okay. Some lines are incomplete, and others are corrupted. A corrupted line is one where a chunk closes with the wrong character. That is, where the characters it opens and closes with do not form one of the four legal pairs listed above. Examples of corrupted chunks. Okay, sure. And I think each line is a chunk. Yes. Okay, let's see. 10. So our input, it looks like, is just going to be a bunch of lines of text. So it should just be lines. Input will just be a list of string. String. Okay. Stop at the first incorrect closing character. Syntax checkers actually have contests to see who can get the high score for syntax errors. Take the first illegal character on the line and look it up in the following table. Okay. Okay. Um, yes. So let's do a. Mm, 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 mm. So incorrect. So the illegal character, it'll be the closing character that is the wrong one, apparently. So um let's see. So I think so like basically we can just iterate through this and we're gonna push things onto a stack and so we'll just put them at the head of a list and we'll pop them off when we encounter the other side. So state um let's make a enum for this. Um so data bracket type will be round, square, curly, angle, angle, and no none. Okay. Bracket type by character. Yes. Square, curly, angle. Perfect. Um, bracket type by character. Yes. Okay. So that will let us consume. I guess we should know if they close or open. So, so bracket is going to be a bracket data direction, opening, closing. Sure. Bracket, direction, bracket type. Okay. So now we can, instead of a bracket, character is going to be bracket, opening, round. Oops. Oh, I think I have like the wrong key bindings in VS Code, but that's fine. And then let's do closings also. So, oops. Oh my goodness. Ah, opening, instead of opening, we are closing. And these should be the other way. Okay. And then the stack, the bracket stack, is a list of brackets. Yes. Okay. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to do get score. And that's going to take a string, and it's going to return a maybe int. Maybe int. And so what we're going to do is get score with an empty stack, and then we'll take the string. Where get score. Yes, that takes a bracket stack and a string and returns maybe int. So if the stack is empty and the string is empty, that's actually going to be nothing, because let's comment these. So end of line and nothing on the stack, valid. Yes, so get score. So if that's the wrong way around. If there is something on the stack, but there is, so if we run out of string, but we're still expecting to be inside brackets, which I don't think it sounds like will probably happen, but we'll cover this case, is going to be an error. Still have stack. If we have end of stack, but more characters, that's okay, right? Well, I guess it would be chunks. Yeah, there's one or more chunks on each line. That's fine. So I'm not even going to cover that case. So now what we should do, get score stack, and then opening, let's see, bracket opening type is going to be, and this just needs to be a bracket type, actually. Bracket type equals get score. That's not right. That should be oh, we need to translate the string first. Bracket string. Bracket string. What's wrong with you? Bracket type. That's fine. Bracket type. Oh, I was missing something. So this is actually going to take a bracket string, and this is going to be map bracket by character lines, and input type be a bracket string, and it will be a list of those. Map. Yes. So it's this remaining input. And I need to put this in that also. This is going to be get score, pop or push the bracket type onto the stack, and then the remaining input. Yes. Get score stack. So if what we have at the front of the stack is correct, if we have bracket type colon rest of stack, then we have bracket closing bracket type. Can we do that? I guess we can do that. Then that will equal, no, the bracket types definitely match, so it's just going to be get score. Okay, it won't let me do that. Yes, it won't let me do that. Bracket type A and bracket type B, if they're the same, then remaining input. Yeah. And why are we... So if otherwise, it means we tried to close and there was nothing on the stack. Bracket closing. There's error. No bracket on the stack. Unclose bracket. Yes. Okay, that's all the... So thank you, Haskell type checker for, or like linter or whatever, for catching that we were missing cases. I think that's cool, even if this case wouldn't have come up. But this should not be an error. This should be the score based on what type of bracket we are missing. And then, is it what we were expecting? It's the illegal character. So then it will be the just score bracket type. B is what we just saw. Yes. Type input, bracket type stack. Bracket type input, bracket type stack. Oh, wrong way. This one should be input. Okay, and we need to define score. Yes, so score round is 3. Score square is 57. Curly is 1197. And score angle is 2953. Wait, no, it's not. It's 25137. Okay. And then solve A. Some of the lines aren't corrupted, and we'll ignore those. So what we're going to do is we will map, yes. And is there a way to, let's see, I bet there is. Maybe A. I just want the ones with the values. Cat maybes. Okay. Cat maybes. Cat maybes, which I think I probably need to import. And that's just the sum. Yes. We have our test, right? Uh-oh. Oh, we got an error. We got an unclosed bracket. Okay, unclosed bracket. I feel like I've got to write it. Stack. This is our input. Do we indeed have unclosed brackets? Yes. But this is wrong first. And then let's see. Oh, that's interesting. So, some of them are incomplete. Okay, so for these incomplete ones, let's just return nothing. 26397. Oh, amazing. So let's take our input and do this for real. Okay, let's try it. We got our result. And there's our answer. Great, let's do part 2. Okay, the remaining are incomplete. And so we just need the sequence of closing characters. Right. Okay, sure. So we start with, okay, start with 0. Okay, this will be really easy. This is a fold, and we just have to fold over what's left of the stack. So let's adjust this get score to be like get line result. And this is going to be an either int. Either int. And it kind of should be like a maybe around that too, I guess. No, it won't, because we'll throw an error when there is truly an error. So this is only if we like actually have a successful input. So maybe let's do like error, correct input. Perfect. And then this is the end of the line. So this is where we're just going to return. So let's make this one be left. Left is syntax error. Right will be a missing closing bracket. So in this case, we'll do right, and we just need to like score B the stack. So score B, we'll take a bracket stack and return an int. Easy. And then let's call this score A. Oops. Okay, I think that's a fine way to do it, because then this like stack consuming code that we already written is still good. And instead of cat maybes, we need to turn a list of either A, B into a list of A's. Lefts. Yeah. Lefts from data.either. Oh. What? Get line result. Oh, we just renamed that. Okay. That's fine. We don't need that. And we don't need that. Okay. Let's just make sure that A still works. Yes. Nice and fast. Okay. So now what we need to do is we're going to take our stack and we're going to do fold L, right? Yes. Fold L. So this is our function that will take a score and the character, and then it's going to be score times 5 plus value of char. And we're going to start with 0. We're going to fold over the bracket stack. We just need to define value of as bracket type to int, and value of round 1, square is 2, curly is 3, and angle is 4. And are we checking? I think so. So let's test B. And we got an error. Right? Oh, why don't we write solve B? So it is the... we need to sort them. Okay, so it's not quite so easy, but it is pretty easy. Rights, map get line result, and then get middle, median. And we need to import that. I bet median is like even... No. Okay. Median is sort. We are gonna need the list. Take X. middle index, length of the list. Oh, we just don't need. And it's not that. It is that. And we need to import sort, data.list sort. Okay, right, the middle score. Yeah, so let's try that. 288957, yeah. B. Oh, we did it! Awesome! Okay, well today was pretty fun. I really like this one. It was pretty approachable. I think, in fact, it lent itself nicely to functional sorts of data structures with like our linked list that we used as a stack. Um, I think the pattern matching was a really fun way to iterate over this. So I had a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again tomorrow.